Welcome everybody to Rudiment Wednesday. Today is going to be a short video on the 7-stroke roll. Just another version of the double stroke roll. So without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, the 7-stroke roll. The 7-stroke roll is nothing more than a double stroke roll played for an absolute amount of time, like I've said for my other stroke rolls. The double stroke roll, let's go into that first. Double stroke roll is a roll that has 2 strokes in each hand. Start this slow, gradually speed up, like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, the 7-stroke roll is that, but with 7 strokes, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left-handed, same idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you wanted to count this as music, with music vocabulary, it would go like this. I'll do this right-handed. I base it off of 16th notes, and the count would be 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Same thing left-handed. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Notice how I'm putting an accent on the end. You can also, using the accent, start this on the beat, like so. And I'll use the counting. Here we go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and And again, left-handed. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So there you have it, the 7-stroke roll. Okay, folks, if you got something out of this, please hit that like button. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. That way you don't miss any content. In the comments below, tell me how you like to use your rudiments. Are you just a snare drummer? Or maybe just marching, tenors or whatnot? Do you put it back on the drum set? Let me know in the comments sections below. And until the next time, ladies and gentlemen, take care, and we'll see you next week for another Rudimental Wednesday.